Little Einsteins, wait for me. Wait for us.
We've got a mission. We're going to see
Toy Story 5
in 3D from the movie theater.
Let the mission begin!
Come on!
Buckle your seatbelts! Seatbelts buckled! Prepare for blast off! We need to give Rocket a lot of power. Put your hands on your lap and pat with us. Pat, 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 pat. Faster! Pat, 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 pat. Now raise your arms as high as you can and say,
Stand up! Stand up!
Hold on tight, because here we go! Let's go! Where am I going? Movie theater! Where am I going? Movie theater! I'm on my way from my brand new rocket. Off I go on the high-flying adventure, and I've gotta go to the movie theater, and I've gotta see Space Buddies in 3D. I fly to the top, on top of the sky, and then I'll go see Space Buddies in 3D. Yeah, and I've gotta see. Come on, I've gotta see Space Buddies in 3D. Yeah.